Hi everyone, it's Tulsie Narine, Senior Solution Engineer here at ScalePad, and today we are going to take a closer look at ControlMap. ControlMap is a multi-tenancy compliance automation platform built with MSPs teams in mind to reduce the mundane tasks associated with continuous compliance for themselves and their clients. Whether you are an MSP starting out on your compliance journey or working with an experienced compliance team, ControlMap gets you to audit readiness. Beginners can prepare for their first audit by starting with a preset workflow that guides them through the process, complete with templates for controls, policies, and procedures. Experienced compliant teams can leverage automation such as framework crosswalks and updated reminders to build on their existing foundation. Some of the features I'm going to highlight are frameworks and assessments, where you'll discover dozens of frameworks provided with cross-mapping to accelerate time to value in performing gap assessments, policy creation, and evidence collection. The simplified evidence management, where ControlMap integrates with a growing ecosystem of integrations for asset collection, admin users, MFA status, user permissions, and security best practices. Policies, procedure, and Governency templates. With dozens of ready-made policies and procedures, it has never been easier to assign mandatory policies to employees and contractor groups to ensure awareness and capture acknowledgement. Vendor risk and due diligence management, allowing you to create an inventory of all your clients' vendors centrally to perform quick risk assessments. Starting off with frameworks. ControlMap comes with a library of cybersecurity frameworks. Some are regionally focused, others are geared towards technology and privacy. As an MSP starting out on your compliance as a service practice, CIS controls or NIST 800-171 might be the ideal place to start with yourself and clients. I strongly believe all organizations should be a minimum of CIS IG Group 1. All frameworks come with a detailed overview to provide executive team with an overview of your progress. Conducting assessments annually enables you to showcase a client's maturity and improvement. I love how questions are laid out, allowing teams to organize their approach. Hopping into identification and authentication here in CMMC allows for a checklist-style approach of answering questions and detailed response captured, such as plan of action and milestones and existing policies and procedures. Speaking about policies and procedures, ControlMap provides dozens of ready-made policies and procedures. It's no longer a tedious task to write these documents from scratch. Simply choose a policy where a workflow is provided to govern it, from draft to approve, and set and review date. The built-in WYSIWYG editor allows for policy amendments within the platform with version management. To streamline evidence management, a library is populated of what is required per framework. It's no longer a guessing game of what needs to be collected. Evidence are delegated to the respective party, and a scheduler allows for reminders. Each evidence works like a container to track due date, delegated owner, URL, or attachments. To help automated evidence collection, the system area in the platform features a rich list of integrations from major cloud vendors, identity providers, HR vendors, asset management, and more. Asset management is further with the free or paid version of ScalePad Lifecycle Manager. It has never been simpler to sync your client's hardware assets into ControlMap. Our partners are most excited about its capability as it enables integration with a diverse set of RMMs, PSAs, and documentation tools, and offer them choice and flexibility and removing vendor lock-ins when working with a compliance platform. And moving over to vendor management. Vendor risk management is not only an important area from a framework's point of view, but also cyber insurers. Vendors added into ControlMap risk profile can be easily filled for those who have a cybersecurity program in place like SOC 2 or ISO 27001. Knowing that all vendors doesn't have these rigorous compliance programs, the built-in risk assessment is sent through the platform, allowing vendors to indicate their policies around HR, access and identity management, data security, and more. Based on a vendor's answer, a risk score is calculated, informing where the gaps might be. This was a closer look at ControlMap, where we make starting and managing a compliance as a service practice simple through a multi-tenancy experience with assessments, ready-made policies and procedures, automated evidence collection, and vendor risk management.